Mmm. Look at this wobbly little seal pup, all big eyes and whiskers like a living teddy bear. Adorable, right? Wrong. This is nature's equivalent of painting a target on your back, because seals aren't just cute. They're the ocean's full-time chew toys. Great whites don't just eat seals, they play with them. Imagine being bitten in half, and your last sight is a shark spitting out your legs like bad sushi. Orcas? Even worse. They don't kill seals. They torture them, flipping them 50 feet in the air, ripping off their skin like wrapping paper. There are orca gangs that teach their kids seal tossing like it's Little League. And humans? Oh, we civilized them. A century ago, we clubbed them for hats. Now we drown 300,000 a year in fishing nets. Slow suffocation over 30 minutes. Progress! Even when they escape predators, their own bodies betray them. Brain-eating parasites from cat poop. Radioactive tumors from our nuclear waste. Their milk is so toxic, 1 in 3 pups die before weaning. So that cute pup you saw earlier? Statistically, it'll be dead in 6 months. And the lucky ones get eaten quickly. Seals are the McDonald's of the ocean. Everyone's favorite meal. Great whites bite them in half for fun. Orcas play catch with their intestines. Even polar bears use them as piñatas. If predators aren't enough, humans club millions for fur, drown 300,000 plus year in fishing nets. Tourists harass them for selfies. Think the beach is safe? Huh. Seals get crushed by ice during birth, blinded by gulls, burned alive by melting Arctic. Seals are walking biohazards. Toxic milk, brain-eating parasites, radioactive tumors. So next time you see a cute seal, remember, they're born into a war zone, hunted by everything, poisoned by humans, and even nature itself hates them. The only winners here? Shark dentists. Which animal deserves this treatment next? Comment and subscribe, unless you're a seagull.